Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a sound test for this K9 mic, more like Besta, Boya, these types of mics, right? Less than $20. And the Hollyland Lark M2, which is this one. If you want individual reviews for these, then check these videos out. I've already done individual reviews for the K9 as well as the Hollyland Lark M2. But here's just a quick sound test. Testing 1, 2. Okay, so I'll start with the K9. That's the one I just put the connector there. And this is the sound of the K9 audio. What do you think? Or these types of mics, what I realized, they're a bit muffled. It sounds like, I would say sounds like they just reduce the noise naturally. I'm not sure if it's this. If I remove this, is there any difference? Like this, is there any difference in sound there? And if I put it back on, of course, I'm sure you might hear something, but is there any difference there? Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. But this mic definitely for its price did the work. This is the mic I used for pretty much all my videos back before, like when I actually bought a mic. And yeah, it did quite a good job, but you had to do some editing there. And I would find that your voice won't be as clear. It will be a bit muffled, especially if you're in a room, if you're in a small space. If you're outside as well, it will also cover that. But definitely it will capture your voice very well, and that's why I bought it. So what do you think? Is it worth it buying this for $20 here in Zimbabwe? So now I've connected the Hollyland Lark M2, which is this one. It's here inside. I commented about the windscreen. It's quite something, the design. But yeah, just tell me the quality. Let me try, and I don't know if I can remove it whilst recording. I can, right? So that you can just see what it looks like there. Okay, so it looks like this, right? That's the Hollyland Lark M2. I've removed this windscreen there. But tell me what you think about the quality. Is it better than the K9? Possibly, obviously, it will be better. But what do you think in terms of like buying this for like maybe times 4, times 5, the price of these types of mics, the K9 mics? What do you think? Is it worth it from the audio test that we just did right now? Let me just sort of listen and just check it out. Okay, so from the quick review I just saw there, I took a listen to both of the audios, and I mean, absolutely, the Holy Land is by far more clearer, and definitely more worth it if you're going to be, trying to make it serious in content creation or doing anything. However, these mics, I think, do have a purpose. And I think, for people like us who are not really good in sound engineering, maybe removing noise or making sure effects are, you apply voice effects and make sure your voice sounds nice or natural. I'm sure if you use this and you're someone like that, then definitely it will work. But I think this one generally makes the work pretty much easier, if you ask me, because it's just way clearer. My voice, you can actually hear it very clearly, and it projects the voice very well. So yeah, so this one you would have to increase volume, also maybe reduce noise in some aspects. If you touch it wrongly or something like that, then they might be peaking as well. This one I haven't tested peaking. However, I definitely do think that the Hollyland Lark M2 is worth its price. And yeah, this was a quick sound test. If you want the Hollyland review, I did it just a few days ago. It's right here. And also, if you want the K9 sound audio, you can find it right here as well. So make sure you watch these reviews so that you can really see the qualities of these mics.